Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to adjust the images durations on CapCut PC. So if you are on CapCut mobile and you add an image, it will be set in 3 seconds durations, but if in CapCut PC you can adjust the time or the durations of the images on your own. So as you guys can see here that these images that I added have different durations, and to make it the same you can just go to the menu at the top and click on settings and then go to the edit, and then after that you can see there is an image duration settings, and here you can adjust the durations into whatever seconds you want. For example, I want to make it 1 seconds by default, so you can just delete it and click on 1 seconds, or you can also choose or set the duration by frame like this, but I'm going to just use 1 second, and after that just click on save. I'm going to delete these images first. So when I edit these images, it will set in 1 second of each image. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And if you like this video, remember to click thanks and also subscribe if you haven't done that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.